Hey y'all, my bad. I lied. I said it. We ain't know why it was missing, but we actually found out why it was missing. The injector harness on number 4 on the number 4 cylinder. We had the injector harness on it, so we hooked it back up. It's not missing no more. Only code we got left is the crank position learn. We letting it get the operating temperature, and when it gets there, we gonna do this cam crank learn, and this car will be good to go. It's not missing no more. Like I said, we'll go through, clean up all this wiring, do this cam crank learn, and we will be out of here for real this time. Late model mobile out.